In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Crypto.com account to the Crypto.com Onchain Wallet. First, download and open the Crypto.com Onchain Wallet app if you haven't already. Once the app opens, tap Connect to Crypto.com app or choose the option to link your Crypto.com account. This feature allows you to move funds between the main Crypto.com app and your Onchain Wallet more easily. Next, the wallet will ask you to confirm the connection. The app will redirect you to the Crypto.com app where you'll need to approve the request. Review the permissions, then confirm that you want to link your account. After you approve the connection, your Crypto.com account will be successfully linked to the Onchain Wallet. This allows you to transfer supported cryptocurrencies between the two apps without manually copying wallet addresses. To move funds, simply choose Transfer in the Crypto.com app and select Withdraw to Crypto.com Onchain Wallet or start a transfer from the wallet itself. The apps will recognize the connection automatically. And that's it. Your Crypto.com account is now connected to your Crypto.com Onchain Wallet for easier transfers and on-chain access. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.